Pour this over your black clothes. If you want them to look new and not faded, try this trick. It costs just a few cents, yet gives results comparable to expensive liquids. Simply put about 3 tablespoons of coffee into a cup or small pot. Thanks to its natural pigmentation, coffee has dyeing properties. Pour boiling water over the coffee. Place your black clothes in a bowl or sink, then pour the prepared coffee over them. It's safe for most fabrics and doesn't contain chemicals that could damage the material. Leave the clothes in the coffee mixture for about 30 minutes. The coffee acts as a natural fabric dye, enhancing the depth of black, especially for fabrics that have started to fade. You'll notice your clothes are in better condition after just one soak. The more frequently you soak them in coffee, the longer they'll stay in good condition. This is an excellent solution for those looking for natural methods to care for their dark clothes.